हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। SY BCom सेमेस्टर 3 सब्जेक्ट BA का MCQ एनालिसिस करेंगे। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, इट इज अ ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, the technique by which the performance of all the employees are evaluated is known as dash. Correct answer option number A, performance appraisal. The system in which the medical facilities provided to the employees is known as dash. Correct answer option number C, health management. The scientific method of pursuing employees is called dash. Correct answer option number B, requirement management. अदर सब्जेक्ट के MCQ अपलोड हुए हैं तो आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं। टू प्लेस एन एम्प्लॉय ऑन अ पोजीशन विद मोर अथॉरिटी एंड बेनिफिट्स देन द प्रेजेंट वंस इज कॉल्ड डैश. राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए, promotion. Next question, which of the following is the benefit of e-requirement? Correct answer option number C, facility to apply online. The full form of HRIS is, right answer option number A, human resource information system. Which of the following is not EHRM activities? Right answer option number D, a dismissal. Next question, arrange the various stage of e-selection in proper order. 1. Online testing. 2nd. Online screening. 3rd. E-offer letter. 4. Planning for e-selection. Right answer option number B, 4, 2, 1, 3. Next question, an act of increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a certain job is known as dash. Correct answer option number C, e-training. Which one of the following is a characteristic of personal management? Right answer option number A, it is traditional approach. The values, attitudes, behavior of the company is followed by all personnel of the company is known as dash. Correct answer option number A, culture management. Which of the following come under the scope of service activities of the HRM? Correct answer option number B, to provide housing facility. If you new in this channel, to subscribe my video. To place an employee on a position with less authority and benefits than the present ones. Correct answer option number C, demotion. Which of the following come under the scope of development of quality of work life of employees? Right answer option number D, to take step to reduce stress. The e-process of searching for prospective employees online is known as dash. Right answer option number D, e-requirement. Arrange the various stages of e-selection in proper order. First, online interview. Second, online screening. Third, e-appointment letter. Fourth, planning for e-selection. Correct answer option number C, 4, 2, 1 and 3. Next question, Which of the following statement is the limitation of e-training? Right answer option number D. It creates anxiety among trainee. Which of the following the correct meaning of the term job evaluation? Right answer option number C. To study the worth of a job in relation to other jobs in the organizations. The system by which the employees are guided in their future career is dash. Correct answer option number A. Career management. E-hiring the best candidate from the pool of e-applications is dash. Right answer option number A. E-selection. चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर ले. Which of the following come under the scope of collective bargaining and employees representation activities of HRM? Right answer option number C. To participate in handling employees grievance. Which of the following come under the scope of training of the HRM? Right answer option number D. To prepare a program of training. To place an employee on a position similar to his present post is called dash. Right answer option number B. Transfer. Next question. Which of the following is the benefit of e-training? Right answer option number D. Suitable for idealistic workforce. The total knowledge, skills, creative abilities, talent of an organization's workforce is known as. Right answer option number B. Human resource. Next question. Which concepts does not consider integrating the personal development of the employees with organizational goals? Right answer option number C. Personal management. To secure complete information about the job is known as dash. Right answer option number B. Job analysis. To promote cooperation between employees and employer comes under dash. Right answer option number D. Collective bargaining and employees representation. Which of the following come under the scope of promotion, transfer and retirement activities of human resource management? Right answer option number A. To help in establishing rules of promotion. Next question. Which of the following comes under the scope of development of quality of work life? Right answer option number C. To make the workplace comfortable. The system in which the subordinates carry out the orders of superior without dispute is known as dash. Right answer option number B. Discipline management. The system in which sports facilities, retirement benefits, etc. provided to the employees is known as dash. Right answer option number C. Welfare management. Recruiter screens the resume online by using software is known as dash. Correct answer option number B. Online screening. E-selection process starts with efforts of dash. Correct answer option number A. HR manager. Keyword search is a useful method of dash. Right answer option number B. Online screening. Interview via video conferencing is an example of dash. Correct answer option number C. Online interview. Statement EHRM is more scientific as compared to traditional human research management. Statement 2. EHRM is not flexible in nature. Correct answer option number C. Statement 1 is correct and second is not correct. Which technique used for the manpower inventory? Correct answer option number C. Manning tables. Which of the following statement represent the objective of the human resource planning? Correct answer option number C. To provide for future manpower requirements. Human resource planning is the responsibility of dash. Correct answer option number A. Top level management. Which of the following is an internal factor affecting human resource planning? Correct answer option number C. Financial resources. Which of the following is an external factor affecting human resource planning? करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी सोशल फैक्टर्स। आगे के एमसीक्यू हम सेकेंड पार्ट में देखेंगे। यदि वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और यदि कोई क्वेरी हो तो कमेंट ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू सो मच वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।